Can magnetism unlock the future of energy? Join us as we dive into the mind-blowing world of quantum magnetism and explore the revolutionary concept of a magnetic vortex reactor. At the quantum level, magnetism behaves in ways that defy intuition, powering advancements in everything from quantum computing to next-gen materials. But what if we could harness this power to create controlled energy flows? In this video, we'll break down the science behind this cutting-edge idea and challenge you to build your own DIY magnetic vortex reactor. Get ready for a hands-on journey into the future of energy innovation. Understanding quantum magnetism. Quantum magnetism is a fascinating field that examines the magnetic properties of materials at the quantum level. At its core, it involves the interactions between atomic spins and how these interactions lead to unique magnetic behaviors. Fundamental concepts include phenomena like quantum entanglement and superposition, which play crucial roles in determining a material's magnetic characteristics. The influence of quantum magnetism extends to various materials, affecting their conductivity and magnetic ordering. In the real world, this field has paved the way for groundbreaking technologies, such as quantum computers, advanced magnetic sensors, and innovative energy storage solutions. By understanding quantum magnetism, we unlock new possibilities for technological advancements that can reshape our future. The science behind magnetic vortexes. Magnetic vortexes are intriguing phenomena that occur in certain magnetic materials, characterized by a swirling arrangement of magnetic moments. These vortexes form when competing magnetic interactions create a stable, rotating structure, allowing the material to minimize its energy. Their unique characteristics, such as the ability to exist in different states, make them significant in various scientific fields, including condensed matter physics and materials science. Researchers are exploring how to harness magnetic vortexes for practical applications, such as in data storage devices, where they can improve efficiency and speed. Additionally, they hold potential in developing advanced sensors and energy-efficient technologies, showcasing the exciting possibilities that magnetic vortexes bring to modern science and engineering. Crafting the magnetic vortex reactor. Building your own magnetic vortex reactor is an exciting DIY project that combines science and creativity. To get started, you'll need materials such as a strong neodymium magnet, copper wire, a power source, a small container, and a base for stability. Begin by carefully winding the copper wire around the container to create coils, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Next, securely attach the neodymium magnet to the base, positioning it beneath the coils. Connect the power source to the coils and watch as the magnetic vortex forms. Remember, this is a chance to experiment. Feel free to adjust the coil configurations or try different magnet sizes to see how it affects the vortex. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. Testing and demonstrating the reactor. Now that you've built your magnetic vortex reactor, it's time to test it and observe its fascinating effects. Start by ensuring all connections are secure and the power source is ready. Turn on the power and watch closely as the magnetic vortex forms within the coils. Look for signs of movement in small metallic objects placed nearby, as they will be influenced by the magnetic field. You should also notice the stability and rotation of the vortex itself. As you demonstrate the reactor in action, capture the moment on video or take notes on its behavior. We encourage you to share your own experiments and results in the comments, fostering a community of innovation and discovery. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey into quantum magnetism and the magnetic vortex reactor. By understanding these advanced concepts, we open the door to groundbreaking technological possibilities and exciting DIY experimentation. If you enjoyed diving into the world of science and innovation, be sure to subscribe for more cutting-edge projects and insights. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with friends who are passionate about science and technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment if you're planning to build your own reactor or have questions. Explore our other videos for more thrilling science projects and breakthroughs. Stay curious, stay inventive, and happy experimenting.